Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. So for today's video is we're going to eat chocolates.
Chocolates and
Candies.
Yeah. Alright guys, here's your first candy. What is the name?
Ito pangalan. Basaha.
Snickers.
Snickers, yes.
Snickers.
Ah,
Snickers.
good. Okay guys, there's your first one. Have you had this before?
No.
Snickers.
No.
Nakatry na mo na? No.
Have you heard of it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Get into it, try it, see what you think.
Ah. Okay. Make it half ate. They're opening it back to back.
Kulit.
Ah, what's inside?
Gamay rin yung isa. Uy, manay.
Money?
Money. Do you know what money is?
Peanuts?
Yes.
What else?
How good?
Ang sa pwedaan? Peanuts. Butter. Butter?
Ah,
Butter.
great.
Sige. Ikaw na.
What's inside?
Peanut? Peanut?
Peanut.
Ansa pa?
Money.
Ha?
Money.
Money.
Yeah.
We're gonna call that as biscuit. Hindi ka ganahan, ate?
Ganahan.
Ganahan ka? I thought she doesn't like it.
Ah.
She was like, I was asking her, do you like it? She was like, uh-huh.
Yeah.
And she was like, no, I like it. I mean, I like it.
Caramel.
Caramel, you got it.
Lami. Kung sa may parihan niya, lami.
Cloud9.
Cloud9.
Well, it is like a Cloud9, yeah. Have you had anything like this before?
Nakatry na mo.
Similar to Filipino?
No?
No?
Don't like the taste of it? It's too sweet? Oh.
Ah,
It's
too
got it
sweet.
into her
Ah.
teeth. It tastes so sweet. It's hurting your teeth.
A scale of 1 to 10, what do you think? Snickers? 50. What about you, Carlo?
75.
75.
Okay.
Sayang if she doesn't eat it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Do you know what like Halloween in America is like? Do you know Halloween?
Yes.
Where you go and ask like trick or treat and you get
Yeah.
candy? When you do that, they give you these. This is very common. So you might have 100 of these at the end of the night.
Magic. Mangatag ka na ko.
Huh?
Agasham. Want some water, guys? Yeah.
What would you rate it 1 to 10?
Infinite.
Infinite. Oh, okay.
10. 10.
What is this?
Troll?
Troll?
Trolls.
Do you know what this word is? The S word?
Sour? Sour?
Sour?
Sour.
Sour.
Yeah.
You got it right.
You ready, guys?
Yes.
We're gonna try some of these. Go ahead. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Try
Let
it.
me try. Oh, mo katry na?
Katry.
Katry na. Sige, tilawin. Does it taste good? Huh? Really?
Yes.
What's the taste of it? Aslom.
Yeah.
It's sour.
Sour.
Yeah.
Tambal.
Tambal? It's like medicine.
Like medicine.
Tambal? Aslom? Tatay, tambal nga aslom.
Do they like it? They're
Lami.
eating them.
Lami?
He wants to give me one. Ami? Sour di ay. Ay, ang good.
Tunggu mantan.
Yeah.
Yeah, split, pull.
He said, dungan tagkuha.
Do the colors taste different? Like blue, red? Are they different flavor?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think is
Different
blue?
flavor.
The blue is
Blueberry.
blueberry.
It is blue. Blueberry. What about the orange one?
Orange.
Orange. What about the green one?
Green apple.
Green apple.
Oh.
I think you're just guessing. Let's see. But what about the yellow one?
Banana.
Yeah.
What about the ate? Is it still banana?
Mango.
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 Oh, wow.
I can guess it like yellow is for mangoes or banana.
Do you like sour candy?
Yeah.
Okay. A little? You don't like it? No.
It was sour. It hit me.
Very sour. Huh. Yeah.
Wala na.
You just have to power that one
Yeah.
down.
Asa mas lami? Katong ganin ng Snickers
Kani,
or kani? Hmm?
Kani.
You like the gummy?
Wow.
Butang ito yan. Katututungtan.
Put it on.
Have to
you should
share,
share it.
with your sisters. Have you had sour candy like this before?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it more sour or this is more sour than the previous one? The
More
one you did.
sour.
More sour.
Sour.
But do you like it? This one or the other one that you've tasted?
This one.
This one. So they like sour food.
It's different. It's good to break up all the chocolate with a little.
Yeah, sour. And now they're just it's in my mouth. Yeah.
Okay, scale 1 to 10 on the gummy.
Infinite.
Infinite. Ikaw? Infinite said. We have the
Wow.
same number.
So yummy.
So yummy.
So yummy.
They like it.
Unsa?
Okay.
Unsa?
So yummy.
What would you rate this 1 to 10?
10.
10.
10?
20.
20? Oh, she likes it too. Cool. Okay, guys. Next we have this one. This one's very popular in America. Have you had this before?
No.
No?
What's it called?
Reese.
Reeses.
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 Yeah.
Reeses. Yeah.
Ano?
What a nice Reese.
Reese.
We froze it because it was melting, but people usually eat them frozen.
It's hard? Yeah. Use the spoon.
This one is called a Reese's cup. You have to split. You have to share.
Sa pagbasa?
What does it look like?
This is
Reese's.
snack.
E. Frozen. It was melting, so we had to freeze it. E.
Kahit.
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 Do you want me to break?
You want me break it? Come on.
Push hard.
Push hard.
Gusto ko.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go.
Okay.
So hard. It's hard?
Bali.
What's inside? It's shaking.
Kind of shake ka, Jake.
Ano ka pang
So it melts in your
peanut butter
Hands?
ang nasa sud.
Oh,
Magic.
Peanut butter.
magic. Man, nothing in there. Ikaw lang, kabakang magic lang. Okay.
What's inside?
Peanut.
Peanut?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you got it. Which is much better? Ang Snickers or kana?
Kani.
Kana? Unsa may sulod ana? Inyong
Peanut
nahuna?
butter.
Peanut butter? Unsa pa?
Mura.
Mura? Kato day murag kuan, cracker. Wala day cracker? Wala murag biscuit?
Wala.
Wala?
You like
Tastes
it?
so
Okay.
good.
It's so good. Tastes so good. Does it still hurt your teeth? Is it too sweet? Pero ganan mo, anak.
I don't know how to get a non-sweet candy.
All candies are sweet. How do you rate that?
10.
10?
10?
Ikaw, ate?
6.
6?
Oh, she
You
doesn't like
don't-
it.
Yeah. They don't really like it.
What rate 1 to 10? What do you think?
Ikaw, no?
15.
15?
15.
15, 1-5. Ikaw, Jake?
30.
30?
30.
Times 2.
Okay. And they like this one better than Snickers?
Yeah.
I think they just like the latest one.
Yeah.
Whatever they're eating then is the best.
Asa mas lami si Snickers or kana?
Kani.
Kana, good? Sure?
Kani peanut butter.
Yeah. It was different with the
Peanut butter.
with the coffee because they really like the blue ones.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Okay. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. Good energy for the last one.
KitKat.
KitKat.
Masa po basa?
Open it.
KitKat. Skit.
Kit.
Kita kit.
Kita kit.
It's melting. It's so hot. Can you put this in the freezer? It's like a finger. Try it.
Minutes.
Okay, guys. Here's your next one.
KitKat.
KitKat. Have you had this before?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
She's an expert on this.
Perfect.
Perfect. Two boys were like, oh, very fancy.
Yeah.
Very demure.
Yeah, demure.
Very mindful.
Very mindful. Okay. Let's see.
Ito pa yung nabili.
Unsa may soda na?
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Mm.
Unsa man nga biscuit?
Whopper.
Wafer.
Wafer. Do you like this or wafer better?
Kana or
Dog
wafer?
food.
Ha?
Dog food. Dog food.
Unsa?
Dog food.
Murag dog food?
No.
He's saying that it tastes like dog food.
Tastes like dog food.
Hindi ka anday kag dog food.
That might be his fingers.
Sige daw. Kilo balik.
Dog food.
Dog food.
Wow.
Dahil.
Unsay lamig?
Chocolate.
Chocolate with unsay sulod?
Biscuit.
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 Tastes like a biscuit. Yeah.
What's your favorite one you've tried so far? We had the Reeses, Snickers,
Yeah.
gummy,
Gummy bear.
or the
With gummy
KitKat.
thing.
KitKat.
KitKat.
Okay. Are you ready to try the vegetables next?
Hindi. Not.
No? But I saved the broccoli for last.
Broccoli na. Wants to give us some for you and for me.
Huwag daw biscuit. Ano pa? Bulit na bilin.
You can see already the body of the KitKat.
Okay.
Oh. Yan lagi kasi KitKat ate. Unsay may sold gani? Biscuit. Oh, she's finishing it.
Nice.
She's eating it fast than the other chocolates that she had. Saan ang gibuhat, Jake? Sandwich? Kita sila.
Balik niyang one.
Chocolate. Lami.
Have you guys had fun trying all this food?
Nalingaw ka mo? Fun ba daw? Are you having fun? Having fun? Nalingaw ka mo? Unsa unsay nang sa nalingaw bi? Unsay nang sa having fun?
Lotia looks like she's struggling. Are you busog? Yeah.
They're both busog.
What would you rate 1 to 10?
100.
100.
100. Wow.
What about you, ate?
Infinite.
Infinite. She was struggling too.
So the KitKats and the Doritos, I think, and milk tea, the big hits for today.
Yeah. Doritos, the boba
Yeah.
thing, milk tea, and then this one.
Would you rate this 1 to 10?
Infinite.
Infinite. Hey, who likes the KitKat?
Infinite.
Infinite sad? Really? Dili zigzag. Infinite ra. He's even eating his hand. Yeah. Like taking all the chocolates and like, uy, mukha
Bye,
pa
guys.
broccoli.
No.
They don't want to eat the broccoli, that's why they're saying bye.
Bye, guys. Di na mi.
You know?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Hey, guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Kamsahamnida.
Lalaki kami.